Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So some of the important opportunity from the Cognizant, Samsung, Concentrix and other important hiring, especially for 2024 and 2025 graduate. So Cognizant hiring is still going on for 2024 and 2025 3-year full-time degree program, and last day to apply is 15. So this is a just reminder video. I have already provided a detailed update on this important hiring. So if by the way if you have missed for this hiring, then you should apply. So who are eligible? BCA, BSc, Computer Science, Information Technology, Mathematics, Physics, and all are eligible. So if you are interested, you can apply. This is on the good opportunity, and you should have minimum 60% for applying this. Coming to next important hiring, that is from the Samsung, and they are hiring graduate engineer trainee vacancy at Samsung CNT operations, and they are looking for civil graduates. So if you are from civil engineering background, then you should apply for this, or you can share your resume to this. Okay, or you can simply click here, and you will be redirected to new page, and you can just give complete details. Okay, so this is also a good hiring, and everyone should apply. Next important hiring, and which I have already provided you update, that is from the Concentrix. Okay, and in this hiring will happen in AMCAT platform. So this is a direct test hiring. So by filling out this registration form, you can take the first step towards successful career with us. By registering today, you are committed to take a record online assessment with one of our virtual recruiter, and जो कि MCAT पे होगा. So if you are interested, you can apply. You have to give your personal details, email ID, and Aadhaar verification is mandatory. So if you don't have Aadhaar, then you can't able to apply. I think everyone should have Aadhaar. Okay, and preferred location you have to give. So these are the some preferred locations, and are you willingly to relocate? And you can give all the things, educational background. So 12th, diploma, graduate, postgraduates, all are eligible for this. Okay, if you have UAN account, then you can also provide those details. So this is also important hiring, and you can start assessment now, means when you fill the form, or you can schedule your assessment later. So if you are interested, you can apply. Next important hiring, that is Global Logic. Hiring is still going on. They are hiring for associate analyst, and if you are fresher in 2024 2025 pass out, then you can apply, and job location is Hyderabad. Yeah friend, regarding the Cognizant hiring, I have already provided for 2026 BTech hiring will be announced soon. Okay, no need to worry about that, and there I have already provided you update. Okay, so just wait, whenever the registration will be out, I will make a dedicated video on this. But till then start preparing, क्योंकि किसी भी टाइम TCS NQT Cognizant and other company का hiring announce हो जाएगा, especially for 2026 pass out batch. So you should apply, and this is the last opportunity for 2024 and 2025 graduate. Further no hiring will be there from the Cognizant. Hope informative to you. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask or comment here, and if you have been selected for any interview, then you can fill our mock interview form. This will basically boost your confidence in a real interview, and if you want, you can fill our mock interview form. I will provide a complete job link in the description. You can directly apply there. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.